Welcome to the future of efficient irrigation. Are you tired of manual watering routines that eat up your time and resources? Introducing Cleasing Industrial Supplies Limited's latest innovation, automated irrigation systems powered by state-of-the-art timers. Gone are the days of guesswork and labor-intensive watering schedules. With our cutting-edge timers, you can optimize your irrigation process with precision and ease. Setting up a system for this purpose only require a few items, which can all be purchased at Cleasing Industrial Supplies Limited. These include contactors, timers, rain sensors, control cables, pilot devices, and even pumps if you don't previously have one installed. In this basic setup, both the timer and rain sensor would be connected in series to the contactor coil. Once it's time set for the sprinklers to turn on, the timer will send a signal to the contactor coil, which in turn plunges and start the pump for the sprinklers to begin watering the vegetation. The preferred rain sensor used in this setup is in a normally closed state, as it will allow for normal operations once there is no rainfall. Once rainfall is detected, this sensor will change state to open, thus disrupting the sprinkler or irrigation system. This is a great way of conserving both on water and your electricity bill, as watering will not be done outside of scheduled time periods and when there is sufficient water from rainfall. Whether you are a small backyard gardener or a part of the large-scale agricultural industries, this system will prove very efficient and cost-effective. For these systems and others like these, please contact Cleasing Industrial Supplies at 1-876-925-0590 or send us an email at sales@cleasingjam.com. Thanks for watching. Please remember to subscribe to our channel at Cleasing TV on YouTube and follow us on Instagram at Cleasing Industrial Supplies Limited.